In this video we're gonna do a standard oil change in 2016 Toyota Corolla. I'm gonna remove the drain bolt and size is 14mm. Drain bolt is very tight, so I'm gonna add pipe. That's what happens when you get oil change at some cheap oil change shops. This oil pan appears to be steel, so probably thread's not gonna be damaged. Now I'm gonna remove the oil filter. We're gonna be using this oil and this oil filter. And I'm gonna add some of new oil on oil filter gasket. Now I'm gonna hand tighten oil filter. And I'm gonna secure drain plug. It doesn't have to be tight. I'll show you how I do it. And that's it. Now we're gonna add oil, and according to Toyota, it's 0W20. Oil capacity is 4.4 quarts, and I have 5 here, so I'll just look here. Once it gets to about here, should be good. Now I'm gonna start the vehicle and check for leaks. Looks good. Now let's get rid of maintenance required light. I think to reset it, I'm gonna make sure this is in trip A. Now turn it off. Hold this. Says resetting. And that's it. So that's how you change the oil filter and reset the oil change light. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for oil, filter, and tools I use to get this job done. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.